Hello, today we're playing Roblox and you was wondering why I look like this because I think my account got hacked. And it's letting me sign in with my password stuff. And yeah, I lost everything.
No
But
problem.
yeah, let the past be the past. But yeah, we're playing this tornado game. You guys probably remember it. I played it with Mr. Mine. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pick the one with the ocean. Pick the Sunset Mall.
Oh, all right.
See, look, there's a warning under it. It says a warning performance for if gonna lag. Or for some people. Hi, Jack. What do you think about this game?
Well, it's pretty fun. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what this game's called, it's called Tornado Storm Valley. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, it's
No,
called that.
Tornado Alley on Ultimate.
Yeah, yeah.
Ultimate.
Honey bunch of coins, bombs away, survive tornadoes and missile strikes. I think I know where I'm going. It's like the biggest place in the game right now. Do you see it? Hey, where
What?
are you? Where are you? We need to find
I'm
each
going
other.
into the mall right now.
I'm in the mall right now.
I'm in the mall too.
I see you going upstairs. Stay right there. Stay right there. Hey, what's up? Stay. It's better to stay like on the first floor so the missiles won't
I
hit
don't see
us.
you.
Over here. See
Oh,
me? Okay, where are you? How you just disappeared from me?
what?
Oh. Okay, come on, come on. I know the best spot.
Where do you go?
Under the stairs. Right here. I kind of want to explore. I want to be a little risky. Oh, yeah, don't forget
Music.
there's a tornado too.
I'm gonna try to find that key.
That key? I think someone got that key already.
No, I've said it.
Mm, I hear something. What is that noise I'm hearing?
Ah!
There's a
What?
fire tornado crash! What? That's the biggest missile ever!
What just happened?
That was a
Oh
missile!
my God! There's a
Stop!
fire tornado.
It's a fire tornado and a missile! Oh my goodness.
Tornado has.
Right inside the tornado. How did I survive? I literally fall like so. I was like top of this tornado and I survived.
Me too. Where are you, Dia? I'm a cookie.
Cookie! I don't know why that
Ow!
game sucked. I'm
Ow!
in the fine June.
I'm hiding.
Where are you?
Oh no
Me
no
too. I just died.
no! Me too.
Every time I ask you where are you, then I just die.
I died too, like right after you.
I just died from 4 people. I got struck by lightning. Oh, I see you, Jack. Oh my goodness, that was a big missile. Why do you want to airstrike at us? What did we do? What did we do?
What do we do? What do I do?
Why tornadoes do so much damage? If you hold your coil out, you don't take no fall damage and you get better crouch.
I'm gonna have myself
Okay,
permanently.
lightning strike does 40 damage, so if you got lower than 40 HP, you're just dead.
No, just like 50.
No, it's at least it kills you. I got hit by lightning that did 40 damage. 3. Let's go, we survived, and guess what? We got $600. Actually, no, we don't, because we lost, so we don't get no money.
Into
What do
my
you bonus thing? Bonus, bonus, bonus. Wait, we were slap battles, right? It'd be more even now because I lost my account.
I don't even like slap battles though.
7 people perished? I wonder who. I wonder who's the 7 people that perished. I wonder who. I could break my
I
leg.
wonder who.
I just took 5 damage from fall damage. I want
Are you playing
yeah,
chicken? I just broke my leg.
you did?
Yeah.
Let it go. We suck at this game. Oh, there's no bonus disaster. Look how much money they get.
No, that's not as much money as
$8 million for the repair? Do you have $8 million?
No, you'd be a millionaire if you had $8 million.
If you had $8 million, would you give me $500,000?
I'd give you probably like 100,000
That'd be perfect for me.
or 200.
Jack always wants to do this, like both of us like work together and make money together.
Volcano's always from somewhere in the middle of a map.
Yeah, we should. Let's do San Juan. I think you could drive the vehicles there.
All right,
Blocks University. That's crazy. Who voted for that?
one person.
I wonder who's that one person. Could be you, Jack.
It wasn't me. I voted on that block on that John Horn place. What it's called?
Have you ever heard of the game Dungeon Quest?
The Sand. Oh, sorry. What?
Have you ever heard of Dungeon Quest?
Nope. Actually, yes, I have.
Yeah, I invited you before. I think you load. I remember you told me that you. So you. I said let's play a different game because remember load for too long.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Look, it says triple threat.
Oh,
Oh,
must be disaster. He met Cookie.
I did say.
Ay 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 ay.
Mm-hmm.
Gee, well, where are you? First of all.
I.
Over there. What's up, man?
Sup,
High
man?
ground's not even good in this game at all. I think high ground's like only good if it's like a tsunami.
Yeah.
There's actually tsunamis in this game too.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Where are you? You just like magically disappear. Hey, what's up? What's up? Is this like the highest point?
Jump down.
Oh, we just jumped down. Did you just break your leg?
Yes.
Wait, break your leg again so I could just carry you.
Wait, I think I have to break like my head and spine too, though.
There's boats in this games? Oh, don't kill yourself. How do I supposed to carry you?
You can't carry me yet.
Why are you so
I have to break.
prone?
I have to break my spine and my arm.
You gotta break everything in your body, right?
Yeah, I gotta break my
Oh
other arm.
my, there's 3 tornadoes!
I'm sorry, dude. Ah! No. I'm gonna take this another one. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm like one. No, I'm still alive. Oh, help! 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 I got struck by lightning. Never mind. I got struck by lightning while I was freaking. I got killed by lightning. Lightning struck me and I got killed.
Hurry up and open the front coaster.
No, I'm literally out of tornado. I can't. Oh!
I see you flying.
Oh! Yeah, I'm at the ocean now. No, there aren't any boats. Wait, there is. There's one. Wait, I'm gonna grab a boat. It's in the water. Come out. It's in the water. Of course, the boat's broken.
Broken?
Yeah, like the bottom's ripped off. I survived. No, I didn't. I gotta die.
Hey, you talked about the pink boat, right?
The red one.
No, that's pink.
No, bro, that's green.
Green? Which boat are you talking about?
No, I'm kidding. It's red.
Doesn't even work?
Nope, because I told you the bottom's ripped off.
It didn't even drive at all. Please, a bonus round, bonus round. I need to survive.
Nah, it's ended.
Is there a seat there? 'Cause it will drive. There's seats in it. That's the
No, there's
possibility.
no seats. Like the bottom's ripped off.
Oh, now I see what you're talking about. Oh yeah,
3 million.
that's the game called Tornado Alley Ultimate.
Yeah. Why?
Shop.
Um,
Upgrades. There's upgrades in the game. Oh
yes.
yeah, I got in the shark the thing with the money. I bought Shark Tamer. That yeah, I can't even get attacked by sharks. Cheeseburger, macaroni cheese. America.
Oh, America. Oh, America.
I need to eat chicken nuggets.
Which ones? Like Dino Nuggets, normal Nuggets?
Chicken Star.
VIP series, it'll give you access to game. Oh,
Have you ever played Doom: The Dark Ages?
I don't know. Wait, which one do you want to do though?
Temple of Himia. I made some videos of the newest Doom game. Let's say I just roll a dragon, kill monsters.
What the fudge?
Hey,
Oh, we can't say fudge. I was talking about chocolate
no,
though.
no, I don't like that type of chocolate. That's why I said no.
Oh, fudge. Quickly, the storm arrives soon. Explore for loot that can help you survive. If you
I
find a
don't want to
shelter
find
key,
shelter keys. It's better you just like play by
freeze
yourself.
NATO.
Oh, it's winter. It's gonna be a tornado, but it's blue and it's gonna be very cold.
Wait,
Actually, that's not a thing. Never mind. I see all over there.
find loot around the map. Prepare for the incoming
I
storm.
still go play the old games. I just look at my other account, just click what his favorite games is, and that's me.
Oh, do you have your other account, Brandon?
Yeah, I still go play those games. I just gotta click my account. Where are you?
Yeah,
Oh, you're top of this temple thing?
I'm trying to get a little tentacle thing.
Alien?
Nah, it's this little tentacle. Nah. You're in a
Wait,
great
top of
ball.
the thing. Did you just break your leg?
Nope. I'm just gonna stay up here because it's gonna be safe. Don't worry, dude. I'm
Why
not.
don't you take a bunch of damage? I'll just carry you around.
Yeah, I want to be carried around too.
You can reach to the top.
Yeah, I can. Ah. Okay.
Hurry up, the tornado could be anywhere. Go!
Oh!
What's happening to you?
I was like dancing or something.
You're dead. Hey, tornado.
The tornado's getting close. But
Yeah, I
I
wonder
just fell.
why.
I just fell a little bit.
What's the weather gonna be? Cold burst.
Okay. Bro, I can't get up here. I need the tornado to get me.
No, you just die.
No, I know.
Are you still alive?
Yes. If you look down, you can see me still crawling.
Yeah, I see a little person down there. What's a cold burst?
I don't know.
What?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I still see you. Okay.
Oh, it's not. That is. It's okay. I saved
How
myself.
is it not getting this?
Hey! Hey! Yeah!
Hey.
Let me get back up on the roof.
Uh,
Uh, they spin me right round,
not
baby,
cave
right round.
the
Well,
tornado's not cave proof.
yeah, I don't think it is.
Are you ever gonna die?
Nope.
Tornado.
No, it's not.
I don't know if this will work with the tornado. Okay, just jump off over here. Just jump off here.
It's not enough fall damage, though.
Hey, we survived! We've just been so busy. Okay, you were holding your recoil thing. You've been holding this. That's why you've been taking all damage. You're supposed to jump then. Okay, jump. Go.
It doesn't work. I need
No,
like high, like.
so you're supposed to jump with the recoil, then let it go. Then
Yeah, I know. But like, it doesn't work right now because.
see, I just did
I,
it to myself. See?
why would you do that?
Come up here and look. I could do it again. Just
Easier for
gotta
you.
jump here and let go your recoil. Okay, you be taller than the top roof. Okay, jump and let it go. Like let go your recoil.
Oh my gosh, I can't. I can't. It won't.
Gotta time it.
Oh my bro, I can't do anything when I'm broke. No, like I got. I'm not doing that.
How did he survive? Hey, you got money, right?
Yeah, I got $300.
$375.
That's what I got too.
Interesting. I wonder how.
I'm the one with the broken legs.
I didn't have a broken leg. You were just crawling.
Oh, bro, I'm so slow.
What do you mean you're so slow?
I said I was so slow.
He can run. Oh my goodness, why I never did this? He could just run away. Look. See? I never like
Wait, you
sprint.
can run?
Yeah, he could run. Why I never did that? I could have survived. Wait, UFO can. Oh, yeah, I forgot there's UFOs can attack you. So there's like boss fights too. When there's like waves of bosses you can fight. Well, don't
What
fight.
one? What
Let's do
one?
War Station. It's like if you play the game for a while, there's something happens. It's very cool, but it's hard to get. It's like rare.
No, I did one where it was like chapters.
Yeah, there's like it's like a king of weathers. Like he was talking to you. Then he put like crazy weathers. Like it's basically like an anime controller. Like he does stuff to you.
Yeah.
Trailer park, trailer park, trailer park, trailer park, trailer park, trailer park, park, park.
Two girls go running. Some guys, you know, wow.
Dead NATO. Survive tornado. A zombie apocalypse? Okay, this is bad on this
But
map.
you
The zombie
can hide it.
apocalypse gets so hard in this version.
Yes, I know. I played it before, but we need to get somewhere high.
Yeah, but the problem is a tornado.
Where are you?
Where are you? Oh, hey, I see
I'm
you.
on Earth.
Can they destroy blocks? I don't remember. Stay on this roof. This is the perfect place to live.
No, it's not.
On this roof. Wait, you can step on the wires thing. See, look.
Mm,
Gotta get
mm,
closer to it.
No,
Gotta
I
get.
went through it. I went through it.
You could go on that thing over there, the pole, but you gotta get closer to it.
No, that's not it.
It plus you get 30 killer. Zombies will spawn from the dead NATO and run away and find a bat and defend yourself. Oh yeah, I forgot we could fight. But it's not even worth it. It doesn't. You would just die before you kill it. Where's it spawning? I imagine it spawns right above us. Oh my goodness,
God,
that was correct.
oh my
I was
gosh.
correct, spawning right above us. Never mind, it's not. Look at their. Oh my. Zombies are spawning atop of roofs. Hey, you know what to do? We just run away from it. Just run away. Just jump on buildings to buildings. No, this direction. Come on. Come on. We need to run.
This is the house on fire.
Run.
No, let's not run yet.
One.
And plus, now we actually know that. Oh, run! Run!
Hide inside of
I'm such a W too. Oh, I see a zombie.
where?
What do you mean, where?
I see it! Boy, they can break walls.
Oh my gosh.
This thing can just break walls. Follow me.
Run!
Go, go, go,
Run!
go.
No! No! Oh no!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How did I survive? Die from a zombie and the tornado was.
I died from a zombie too.
That's annoying.
I don't like the zombies.
Like, I was so overpowered, the tornado stuck me in, and I was stuck in the ground, and the tornado was on top of me, and the zombie was just killing me.
That's what happened to me.
I got killed. Yeah, I see you though. Hey, I see you over there. What's up? Oh my goodness, that building game is really. Run! Run! I'm right behind you. Oh my goodness. There's like, oh my, there's so much zombies. This building's like so far.
No!
Oh my goodness, look at them. Look at them. Oh my goodness, look behind you. Okay, we're safe.
I'm not afraid of no zombies. Yeah, I got him.
BT, I'm not afraid to. I'm jumping in! Ah! Wait, you just jump on their heads and you won't take damage.
I'm dead.
Take damage. You die?
Like I'm on fire from a zombie.
And you died?
No, I'm still alive. But I've already died once.
I died none. I didn't die at all.
You didn't die?
Yeah, I did. Percentage
I died.
survivors.
I died because there was like okay, I got like okay, I was on the ground, zombies started attacking me, and then I got sucked into the tornado, and I was like still in the tornado, and then somehow zombies attacked me.
I think we died from the same. There was like two purple zombies beating us up. I think the other zombie was like right behind my zombie. Beating me
Um,
up.
probably.
Mm,
Yeah, it had to be because we died at the same time.
$4 million?
No, that's $4 million, not 3 million.
I said 4 million, not
I think
3.
it's 3.
Do you know I drank gas today?
Did what?
I drank gas at
What do you mean?
science. I drink gas with water.
Oh,
Yeah, gas.
I thought you meant you actually drink gas. That's what,
Yes.
that's what we like bring out every day.
What do you mean you drink gas?
I said God's. I said around. I said around. I said gas.
Do you think I still could be in that game? Remember we just punch each other when you have abilities? And remember I turned to like rage mode? And like I like punch you
You
punch
have
you
a
stronger.
freaking fireball and stuff. How do you get that?
I don't even have any of that anymore. Let's do
That's
CPR. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that game after this video.
maybe if I'm not doing if I don't have to leave. God's blessing, alhamdulillah. I said that I'm
Why
gonna
so
see
many
the
people
exam.
pick the why everybody pick the easy one? I don't like easy. It's too easy. I'm still standing.
I'm still standing, yeah, I'm still.
Look how easy this is. Look how big the building is. That's why it makes it so easy. Like, look how
I'm
many spots you can
still
hide.
standing, baby, after all this time. So, baby, I'm still
Finally, I can
standing.
engage in combat when it becomes legal. But
Wait, what? You can engage in combat?
I don't know if
Dude,
engage with
we
who.
probably need to hide.
Fighting who?
No, I think it said that we could fight each other.
Okay, come on. Jack, come on. Jackie, come over here. Jackie, we're going. Over here, behind you.
I'm still
I got the
standing.
best spot. Okay, you ready? This could be right here.
What, really?
And we're gonna hide like a chicken tender. You know what's better than this?
I'm
Where are you?
about to jump down.
You're
Should I jump
chopping
down?
down.
Should I jump down?
Sure. Jump down. Okay, let it go, let it go, let it go thing.
Ow.
How did it not kill you? This is like much harder than the other ones.
So,
Ew, a tornado?
and
Who use tornadoes these days? Wait,
what's it?
why everything's so red?
Yeah.
Jump down fast. Jump down. Hurry.
Oh my god. Combat is really good. We could jump. Yeah, I'm gonna try to kill someone. Combat has become legal. Yeah, where are you?
Oh yeah. Hey, you can't kill me.
Okay, this is you. What are we doing?
Oh yeah.
Kill this girl.
Oh my god, you almost died.
I'm almost dead.
Player
Ah!
one.
Bro, I'm not.
Let me give you that.
I couldn't even do anything. I literally couldn't walk.
Wait, you think you're Hey, you have
I
the whole
could.
map. Bro, I just died from
Let's see if you
being
finish the
on
done.
I just died.
Come here, no.
I could enter the map and kill somebody.
No, you don't spawn with the sword anymore.
I didn't die.
Uh-uh.
Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Now you go in there? Did I tell you go in there? Wow, it's crazy. What happened to this ground? Just turn all black. Be sunny.
No, this isn't black. This is like a very dark green.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wall used to be green right here, now just black.
If you look at a certain angle, it's like very dark green.
That's
Look at the ground. Look at the ground and know that.
okay, well that end the video here. So yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye. And make sure to say in the comments that